Welcome to EROTECH Solutions. So here we are providing all embedded system projects and as well as short-term programs and internships and workshops. So in summer vacation, we can utilize all third year and fourth year students. So we do all embedded system related activities like only microcontrollers training, embedded C training and applications training as a short term. And if you are looking for job guaranteed courses, so you're also offering both embedded IoT and embedded automotive and embedded software developer courses. So these courses you can join us and we'll offer good placements in Hyderabad, Bangalore and across metropolitan cities in India. So we do all hands-on projects with different microcontrollers like Arduino, STM32, LPC2148 and Raspberry Pi. So now I'm going to explain a project on Arduino controller. This project we developed with Arduino controller, and this is our pick and place robot, and you have two control methods. One is through mobile app and as well as the other method is you can control through voice. So this application have different units like as a power source, battery unit and controller Arduino Uno, and there is a Bluetooth module which is used to help to communicate with mobile app, whereas driver units, there are two driver units, one for base of the robot and other one for control the hand. So this hand mechanism which is constructed with gears and as well as DC motors, and there are four wheels here. So there are two free wheels and two motor wheels. So I'll show you the output of this application. Let's see the operation with the robot. So I'm going to pair the Bluetooth module which is connected now. So now I'm moving forward and stop and pressing back, stop and looking for right and left turns, turn, stop. So now just I'm operating pick and place operations. So I'll just give input, then you can watch it, the pick operation and release operation, and up and down, so this is how you can manage the robo operations by using Android app. Thanks for watching. For more projects you can subscribe us. Thanks for watching.